Hello and welcome. In this geometry lesson, we are going to learn how to calculate the volume of a cylinder. We will understand the logic behind the formula πr²h. First, let us identify what a cylinder is. It is a three-dimensional solid shape. It has two identical, parallel circular bases that are connected by a curved surface. Common examples you see every day include soda cans and batteries. To find the volume, we need to measure two specific parts of the cylinder. First is the radius, represented by the letter r, which is the distance from the center of the circle to its edge. Second is the height, represented by the letter h, which is the straight distance between the top and bottom bases. The foundation of the cylinder is its circular base. From earlier geometry, we know that the area of a circle is calculated as pi times the radius squared. This gives us the area of the flat surface at the bottom. Now, imagine the volume as the amount of space inside the cylinder. You can visualize this by taking that circular base area we just found and stacking it layer by layer all the way up to the top height. This stacking creates the solid volume. This leads us to the general logic for finding the volume of any prism-like shape. The volume equals the area of the base multiplied by the height of the object. By substituting the circle's area formula into our general equation, we get the specific formula for a cylinder. V equals pi times r squared times h. This simply means we multiply pi, the radius squared, and the height together. Let us try a problem. Here is a cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters. We plug these numbers into our formula. First, 3 squared is 9. Then we multiply 3.14 times 9 times 5. This gives us a total volume of approximately 141.3 cubic centimeters. Here is another example with a taller cylinder. The radius is 2 meters and the height is 10 meters. We calculate 2 squared, which is 4, then multiply pi times 4 times 10. The result is approximately 125.6 cubic meters. To summarize, always remember the formula V equals pi r squared h. Just measure the radius and the height, multiply them correctly, and ensure your final answer is in cubic units.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.